Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how to upload your digital work. So this is how you're going to submit work on those off days if you are a hybrid learner. And this is also how we're going to submit work if for some reason we need to close down again like we did last spring. So this is how you're going to submit your work if we go fully remote. So if you look for our first assignment, watch the introduction video, which you're doing now, and then you're going to add your own Google slide to our Google slide presentation to show that you understand how to submit your work. So you're going to click on our presentation, and you can see that I've already gotten some submissions right over here. You are going to press this plus sign to make a new slide. You are going to add your name, and if you want to change the font, you can. That's totally up to you. You might want to make it bigger. I just need to know that this is your slide. So you're going to add your name somewhere on the slide. If you want to get kooky crazy and design the slide, go for it. You can change the background, the colors, all that fun stuff. But then to submit your work, you're going to go to Insert, Image, Camera. And then you can see me. Hi. So then you're going to hold up whatever the assignment was. Say it was to draw yourself with a mask. You're going to hold up your drawing, and take a picture. Then you're going to insert it into our presentation. You can make it bigger so I can actually see it. And then Google Slides automatically saves it into this presentation, so that's all you have to do. And then I'll go through and say that you've submitted your project. So easy peasy, good luck, have fun.